Making your English sound kinder, the art of softening language. Hello learners. Welcome to our next video in the Conversational English series, where today we will focus on identifying and correcting unsoftened language. You may wonder, what does softening language even mean? Well, softening language refers to using words and phrases that make our statements, requests or suggestions less direct, more polite and friendly. Today, we'll learn how to identify when language is too direct or harsh and then how to correct it. Let's dive in. The first step to softening your language is to be able to identify when language is too direct or harsh. This is often seen in commands, blunt statements, or unvarnished criticism. For example, 1. Give me the pen. 2. You're wrong. 3. I don't like your cooking. These statements are very direct and can come off as rude or impolite, especially in English-speaking cultures that value politeness and indirectness. Now that we know what unsoftened language looks like, let's understand how to soften it. There are many techniques, but let's look at some of the most common ones. 1. Use polite phrases. Could you? Would you mind? May I? 2. Use conditional verbs. Could, would, might. 3. Use less absolute language. Instead of always or never, try, sometimes, or often. 4. Use indirect questions or statements. I was wondering if, it seems like. 5. Use hedging language. I think, in my opinion, perhaps. Let's apply these techniques to our previous examples. 1. Instead of saying, give me the pen, you can say, could you pass me the pen, please? 2. Instead of bluntly saying, you're wrong, try, I think there may be a misunderstanding here. 3. Instead of saying, I don't like your cooking, you could say, I think I prefer other types of cuisine. Do you see how these phrases are less direct and softer? They are more likely to promote positive responses and maintain good relationships. There you have it, folks. This is the art of softening language in English. With these strategies, you can ensure your English is not only correct but also polite, kind, and respectful. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it that matters. Keep practicing these techniques, and soon enough, it'll become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!